Hey y'all, Sky here. Now I use my new iPhone 13 Pro Max phone to film this first vlog. It's an unboxing of my new Apple Watch. I got the Series 7 blue aluminum case with the best blue sports band. Just got it about, what is it, 7:20 now. I got about 5:30. Just been a couple hours ago. I just came back from a Oktoberfest dinner that the clubhouse was doing. The residents here were doing it at the clubhouse. Let's start doing unboxing, shall we? Let's see now. There's one flap. This is like the other Apple Watches that you start doing this. I think around Series 4, 3 or 4, they started doing this with the casing. Little casing. This right here is my Series 4. I'm doing a trade-in so I can get a little off. Of course, you got the 2 boxes, one for the band, which we'll get to in a few minutes. This is what you guys really want to see. So this the Apple Watch. So you got little tabs here, like they have on the phones. They do them now. So one on the bottom as well. One on each side of the containers. I still got the boxes in one of my drawers for the other Apple Watches that I had over the years. It's a little stiff. There we go. I'll put that right there. So you got the Apple Watch there, and there's your cord, USB C cord. Supposed to help. Right here is supposed to help charge up faster. I only got one USB-C plug, so I'll probably have to get another plug next month when payday comes. Of course, you got the instructions coming this thing. But if y'all have one, you already know how to do it. And here's my new Apple Watch. I think next time we'll go for the stainless steel which I'll probably wait a couple years until I get to like 9 or 10. 9 or 10th series. Let's say I have something really good on the 8s. It's really in there. Okay. There's the back. Still has the same backing. It looks like it's a little bit bigger size. This, I think the 4 was a 44. This is I think a 45. New ones. Yeah, 45 inch. It looks like. I'll turn it on in a minute. Whoops. There's the cord. This back in here until you can get a plug. I'll have to keep it in there. Close it up. Now we got the Apple Watch out. So, yeah, 45 millimeter. The new ones are. My old ones are 44. Now let's get to this, and then I'll have to turn on the watch, but of course they got little strip things. This blue I got on my phone, same color. There's the color, the same color I got on my phone case. I got this blue. I think it's this blue. Phone case too. There's the other end. I usually leave the small one in case because I don't use it. I can't do any backups. Anything on my so there you go. It works. Well, I'll have to leave it here because I guess I'm using my phone. I can't do any more pairing or anything because I have to use my phone. So I'll leave it here and talk to you guys in the next video. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe. I can really use some subscribers. And I really appreciate the likes. And let me know if you got an Apple Watch and what series. If we're looking at getting a new one, the Series 7, and what color and all, I'd like to hear. from you. And I'll see you in the next vlog. The West signing it later.